Good morning and welcome to this Sunday meditation. 3 healing tips just for the heart. We're still in February, the heart month. So the first one is the understanding that the heart meridian or the heart energy line starts underneath the armpit, comes all the way down the arm and off the baby finger. So first thing we're going to do is support the heart. We're going to take the baby finger and we're going to just twist 3 times, pull off. Again, twist, pull off, twist, pull off. Now this is bilateral, so the other side, we're going to twist, pull off, and twist, and pull off. The next thing that we're going to do is note that right here, right at the wrist, is heart 7, and that is a very powerful point. So we're actually going to do the wrist twist here so that we're not only supporting and waking up and energizing heart 7, but a number of meridians right around the wrist. And again, bilateral, other side, just really working that wrist. Only takes a minute. And finally, we're going to do an easy heart hug. So we take our hands, we put one hand over the other. We're just resting right on the heart energy center. And if you tend to be someone who's cold, this will definitely warm you up. And we're just giving the heart a hug, acknowledging its amazing qualities and the fact that it has more electromagnetic energy than any organ in the body, including the brain. So take a deep breath, let go. Let's just go over that one more time. We know that the heart meridian or energy line begins underneath the armpit, comes down the inside of the arm and right off that baby finger. So we're going to twist the baby finger to energize the heart. We're going to do that 3 times. We're going to do it on the other side because this is bilateral. So we want to do both sides. Then the next thing we're going to do is remember that right as you come down to the wrist point here, there's a very powerful energy point, heart 7. So the easy way to work with that is just the wrist twist, which is also working with some other very powerful energy points. We're going to do that bilaterally, both sides, energize everything. And finally, we're going to do a heart hug. So we're going to take our hands, cross them over. Our thumbs are sitting right here. And we're just going to squeeze that heart a little bit for the center, heart energy center right between the breasts, and give the heart a hug. Take a deep breath, let go. This will warm you up, and it's a great way to just spend time in meditation. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelmed Warrior. If there's any way I can help you, reach out for a free chat with overwhelmedwarrior.com. I'll see you next weekend.